review on the ColourPop Lovebird eyeshadow palette. And this has been out for a while, and unfortunately it was limited edition. But when I had seen this in Ulta, my Ulta only had one in stock, and I literally flipped out. And I was like, oh my god, I have to find this palette before I can't get it anymore. And I finally found it, but the sad news is you can't buy this anymore unless you try and find it online. But that's a slim chance as well. I don't remember how much this retailed for. I want to say $18 or $8. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but it was pretty affordable. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 colors in this palette, I'm pretty sure. So the middle row is all pressed glitters, and then you have about 1, 2, 3 mattes, and then you have a bunch of shimmer and then pressed glitters. So I'm going to swatch this whole entire palette, and I'm going to do a little eye look. So I'm going to start with the first color, is called Peacocky. And this is a very light shimmer. You can probably barely see it because it's so light, but it's very shimmery. The next one is Flower Boy. This is a matte pink. Right here. That's Flower Boy. The next one is Sing a Song. This one is a metallic bright pink. It's pretty bright if you ask me. Right next to that, so it's literally right here. And that is Sing a Song. The next one is Island Hopping. So that's a pressed glitter, so I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Island Hopping, so like I said, this is a pressed glitter. Right there, and I'll do the pressed glitters on the side of my hand. I love their pressed glitters. That's probably one of my favorite things. The next one is another pressed glitter, and it's called Cheap Cheap. This looks like just a regular white pressed glitter with a little green and gold flecks. That's right there. The next one is Indigo or Indio. I don't know how to say that. And this is one of my favorite pressed glitters. I actually have this in a different palette. It's one of my favorites. Right here. Do the next row. Gonna wipe that off, and I think I'm gonna do the next row on my other hand. Okay, so the next one is Side Chick, and this is another matte pink. Right there. The next one is On Lark. This looks like a sparkly another really bright matte sparkly shade. This just has a light reflection of glitter. The next one is No Egrets. This is a matte purple or plum shade. Definitely could say it's plum or purple right there. So that is all the swatches, and before I wipe these off, I'm just going to take a quick look and see what I want to do. I'm thinking I want to do, let's see. How would that look if I did that? And did this. No, that wouldn't look good. Let's try that. Nope, that wouldn't look good either. What about... I'm just making up a little swatch for my eyes before I mess up my whole face. Okay, what about that? Ooh. that's kind of pretty. Nah. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do, but I'm probably gonna regret it because it's gonna be super bright. That's okay. I can go out of my comfort zone today. Why not? Wow, this is making a mess. Uh-oh. Disaster. Oh crap. Okay, I think I'm gonna need another one. What? I love ColourPop because it's so affordable and the colors are just insane. They're always pigmented and they're always pretty. You never get an ugly palette with them, I feel. I have so many ColourPop palettes. Oh, I can't get this makeup off. Shit. Oh my god, I can't get it off. Okay, now that my skin is oily and gross, let's go in with Flower Boy, the matte shade, the light matte shade in Flower Boy. And let's make a mess of my face. So Flower Boy is a matte pink, like what I told you. Tap it off. I'm going to apply this to my outer, let me zoom you in here. I'm going to apply this to my outer crease. I'm probably going to end up looking crazy because I don't normally use these colors. So hopefully I don't end up looking crazy. I do have another palette here just in case I run into a disaster. I always think I'm bad when I work with bright colors, but yeah, I try. I don't think I'm a pro makeup artist. I literally just do these kind of videos because I really enjoy them. So if anyone ever thinks, oh, that makeup is ugly, maybe it is to you, but to me it's not always ugly. I don't know. I just come on here and do my own thing and it makes me happy, so I don't really care what anybody thinks. A lot of times I delete the hateful comments and I don't even acknowledge them. I don't know if you guys know that, but I do. I don't really have a lot of haters anyway, so. Okay. Where's my color switch? I'm gonna take Peacocky, which is that light shimmer, and I'm gonna put that like right over here. I probably shouldn't have done that, but it actually looks good, so I'm not gonna complain. Actually, it's not enough shimmer, so let's see. Side Chick is really bright, so I don't know. I want to, okay, we're just gonna leave the crease alone for now until I figure out something. But I think I'm gonna use this palette. I need to use different palettes. I can't use just one. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with Classy from this palette. It's just a neutral, like golden champagne color. And I wanna go in over here. Oh yes, that was the best idea, to try and make this look a little bit better so don't look crazy. Now it just looks normal over here. I would probably take that and make it a little different. There. That's good enough for me. I'm just putting this in my inner corner now. Okay, it's so hard to do this on video. Hold on. There, I'm sorry if that's in the way. It's just a mirror. maybe that didn't do anything. I don't know. This palette is not really easy to do looks with, and my ear kind of hurts. So I'm just gonna sing a song and put that color on my lid because it's bright, and hopefully I can figure something out. Like I said, this is a really hard palette to form looks with, in my opinion, because there's not many like normal colors to choose from. Okay, I need to get something to fix the lid part here. Do this. And you guys can't even see. Okay, that's good enough for now. I gotta figure something out. Okay, I gotta figure something out with my lid, so I'm probably gonna do that off camera so I can like fix the lid part and figure something out with that. But the lids look good. I mean, the crease part, what am I talking about? The lid's fine, but the crease part, not fine. Okay, so I'm gonna figure the crease part out off camera, then I'll show you what I did. Okay guys, so I'm back with the ColourPop palette video, and I had a complete nightmare with that palette. This palette is, hold on a second. This palette is extremely beautiful, but every color that I tried to blend, mostly the mattes I tried blending because that's what I like to use in my crease. I tried blending them with different colors and they just kept turning out muddy. So I'm literally not even going to bother trying to do a look with this because it's literally not worth it. And I'm really sad and disappointed because I love this palette and I love the colors. So I'm going to work with it more. And if you guys want me to do a look in the future, if I can figure something out, let me know. Because I want to be able to use this. If I can't figure it out, then I'm just going to put it in a giveaway. Because I've never ever had this much trouble with figuring out an eye look with a palette. I always have something to do. And I'm actually really sad about this because it's really pretty. And I want to be able to use it. So, yeah. But other than that, it's pretty. I can't really give my full review because I can't even fucking figure out a look with it. And I'm swearing because I'm mad. So, yeah, it's not a bad palette. It's pretty. I would definitely, buy something similar to this. But I don't understand why the colors are not blending well together. And I even watched some other tutorials on YouTube about this. And a lot of other people said that they don't blend very well as well. So I don't know why or how. I just, no idea. It's probably just the palette itself. So, I don't know. I will look into this more and let you guys know why, and if I figure out anything, I'll do a video on it. But yeah, this is my little review on this. I really don't know what to say. I'm really disappointed. I don't even want to post this because I always like to do like looks with them, but obviously it's just not working out. They kept coming out patchy. They kept like not blending. It kept turning into a mud bath. It was really, really awful. So I even tried taking other colors from other palettes trying to fix it, and it just wasn't working. So yeah, I'm sorry, and I hope like maybe you guys can give some advice with this palette if you have it. If you guys have seen the same deal kind of thing with it, but I don't know what to do about that. So yeah, I'm gonna move on to a new video and not be in a bad mood because of this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this weird ass review, and I hope you come to another video and this doesn't ruin it for you. But yeah, this was horrible. I'm gonna go now. I'm so annoyed. Bye.